Alrighty, welcome to the area that I'm staying in. Kinda. So like I was saying earlier, it feels like every kilometer you go, every half mile you go, it's completely different. And here is no exception. So this is what it looks like on the way to where I'm staying at. Let's walk through and I'll show you what I mean. This is what every dog in India looks like right here. They're all just laying on their side, chilling. Every single one of them. Make sure you're clean there. Okay. As you can see, it's the evening time. Maybe I'll get some food. We'll see. But let's take a look around, see what they're selling. Hey, it's a camera. Got some fruits. Got a lot of stuff that, well, same kind of stuff you saw at Tour Bazaar earlier. Watches, belts, electronics, noise. But I mean, I'm curious what they're building up here. Ab kya bana rahe hain? Non-stop noise. Okay. More bells. Hey, आप कैसे हैं? आप क्या बना रहे हैं? Pull. Like a monorail, like metro train. Okay, something like that. Interesting. Thank you. Okay, so they're building maybe a monorail or something up there, but again, this is another world over here. Another world. And yeah, this is, like I said, this is where I'm staying. Kinda. Let's see here. Let's see what kind of food they're selling over here. They got plenty of homestays and guest houses around here too. You can see the Guru homestay right here. Over here we have the Sai Baseda guest house. More of the same stuff you could find at Tour Bazaar. Looks like the bags, things like that. The Golden House. So yeah, there's plenty of places to stay around here. All the women looking very sundar today in their colorful dress. America.
You America?
Wow,
yeah.
Look at that. Are you cold?
No.
No.
Where are you from in America?
Texas.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Where are you from?
So, you a vlogger or?
I'm a vlogger, yes.
Oh, hitchhiker.
Hitchhiker, well, both maybe. What about you?
Let's go. Come on. We should hitchhike.
Where are you going?
I'm going to hitchhike Taj Mahal. Come on.
Oh man, I can't yet.
Why?
Can't. Because I'm staying here. I have more time in Delhi. You're hitchhiking.
Too much poison. Too much pollution.
I know, man. My throat is hurting.
That's why I'm telling you. Even my nostrils, it hurts at night, and I feel like something acidic in my stomach due to poison. So much.
Where are you from originally?
I'm born and brought up in Uttarakhand. It's like a hilly state.
Okay, so in beautiful like nature.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Come on, if you want.
Okay,
buddy. Bye.
See you, brother. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry. Nice to meet you, Harry. Take care. He runs off. Look at him. Where's he going? Come on, man. Let's hitchhike. Let's go. Okay. All right. So let's have a look down this street. See what they have to offer, and then go for it. Prata. Fresh prata.
Prata.
Man, I've already had two. Me prata kaya. Breakfast, lunch. No thank you. I've had three or four pratas already today. Can't do it again. Here we have the Anad bed and breakfast. I really doubt they look this nice though. There is no freaking way. No way that's happening. Hello. Some people look at me with like the deadest look in their eyes. I don't know. And then you smile at them, and sometimes they'll crack a smile, but other times they're just like, Maybe it's the city, you know. You get a lot of cold stares in Tokyo too. Like people there just aren't having it. So it's one of those things. Maybe you get out in the countryside, people a little more friendly. Hey, आप कैसे हैं? French fries. French fries. Very bright colored French fries. Chicken?
Veg.
What is it?
Chicken roll.
Chicken rolls. Chicken rolls. Okay. With some noodles and stuff.
Chicken roll.
Okay. Thank you, sir. They kind of got the same thing going over here. Some noodles, paratha. Hello, sir. Okay. I might have to get some oranges because, like I said, my throat is kind of hurting. I don't know if it's because the pollution, maybe I caught a cold. I don't know. I've been in Delhi for about a week now, and it's starting to hurt. And I don't ever really get sick, to be honest. I haven't gotten sick in a long time. I mean, it looks like some of these buildings up here, obviously people living up here, but it looks like they could almost touch each other. They could just throw things back and forth if they wanted to. Shiva, a guest house, government approved. So, I guess if I ever show up in a city sometime and my internet's broken and I can't get on bookum.com or Airbnb, I can just stay in a place like that. I'm sure that's how backpackers had to do it back in the day, right? I'd say, excuse me, nowadays, traveling the world is really, I don't say easy, but it's a lot easier than it used to be, right? You have Google Maps, you have all the apps and everything. It's pretty easy nowadays if you want it to be. Hello,
Yes,
Tiki. आप कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया.
बढ़िया? मैं बढ़िया. Maybe बढ़िया. Bread? Pan? Roti?
देना. चाट.
Hello, Tiki. Oh, this is you got hamburgers? Nah, I don't want a hamburger. No, thank you. I'll try this. What's he doing with your mouth? Wait.
गोलगप्पे.
Yeah.
ये टिक्की है.
Okay. Got egg.
एक प्लेट.
Egg plate.
खाना है.
Egg plate.
100.
100?
2 piece.
2 piece? Oh. 50?
Tasty.
Hello, Tiki. 50?
हाँ 50.
50, okay. 50. Okay. 50. I was like, well, that's twice as much as I had the other day. 50. 50. Pachis.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Oh, for him. Okay. I was like, that ain't for me. Okay. A hamburger. Let me see how you make the hamburger. Okay, same kind of setup. The green sauces, the white and the red. Oh, there's the old lady hanging up her clothes. Just hanging up all your business in front of the street so everybody can see. Actually, maybe bad mean. I'm gonna walk around. I'll walk around, okay? All right, thank you. Actually, that's not really what I'm feeling anyway, so we're gonna carry on. I already had Hello Tiki, and it was freaking good, but they got Jack food here too. All right, we are back on the main road, and this is where we need to be because all along here are just a bunch of different restaurants. Ready? This place is busy, huh? Okay. Okay, sounds good. Let's see what you got here. They're just making up the paratha and the bread out here, the naan. Hello. Yeah, look at that. Excuse me. Come here. This is it right here. Oh, look at all the seasonings, all the spices, everything. Paneer? Paneer? paneer, cilantro, onion. Damn. There is no way this will pass a food and health test in America. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Not really sure what I'm looking at here.
Mixed vegetables.
Mixed vegetables.
Yeah. And red pulse, green beans. Oh, red beans.
Okay, red beans.
Yeah, pulse.
Pulse.
That is it. Cheese curry.
Cheese curry.
Yeah.
Cheese curry.
Cheese.
Cheese curry. Cheese curry. Awesome. Then we got some rice and the delicious looking naan. Bon appetit. Okay. Some red beans, some onions, some tomatoes, some cheese. Hot. What do you think? Do you like this kind of food? Let me know. I freaking love it. I love it. Now I am friggin' stuffed. I ate too much today. Oh man. So you see a lot of people carrying bags around here, like this dude, suitcase, these people with backpacks. There's a really big train station up here. And so a lot of people coming here, not just only from the metro, but from the train, which goes all across India. The train line goes from thousands of miles away. It passes through here. All right, I need to get out of here. My throat is killing me. So I'm guessing that's also why they have a lot of guest houses. People come here. Maybe they need to stay the night and then catch the train. Whew. A lot of people in transit here. And so over here, they have all these little accessories just in case you happen to break your suitcase. Hey, you got wheels? For okay, for zippers, if you break the zipper bag, the suitcase wheels. A lot of travelers here, yeah. A lot of travelers carrying suitcases, and so you can fix a wheel if you had to. It looks like this guy over here is fixing a suitcase. Hey, huh?
It's from country.
I'm from America.
America,
Yes, sir.
nice country.
Thank you. You can change out your soles and your shoes for your shoe. It's a one-stop shop right here. So right over here past the, it says public convenience right there. I don't know what this is, but it stinks over here. You gotta do one of these numbers. Otherwise, it smells like sewage over here. But once you come over here, nothing. Quiet. It's like you've come to a whole nother city. It's crazy. Look at this. No rickshaws. Kids in the street playing badminton. Crazy. See the oranges, ek kilo, kitne ka hai?
1 kilo 60 rupees.
60 rupees?
Ji.
That's a nice price. I'll take it. 1 kilo, how many? Let's see. I went to a guy earlier and he was telling me 80. Is that 1 kilo?
Video?
Video, that's right.
Okay.
Honest man. Alrighty. Got me some vitamin C and some cough drops. Hopefully that does a trick. Man. throat is killing me. Can you guys tell? Is my voice any different? Alright. I'm going to make a video, I think, walking around this neighborhood just to show you what this neighborhood looks like. I mean, it's nice. There's just a bunch of nice cars, nice homes, apartments. There's about 1 million potted plants. There's little parks that are nice and manicured and taken care of. And yeah, compared to the other side of the tracks over there, it's completely different. Still a lot of dogs though, that's for sure. And I don't think they like the white man because they, a lot of them bark at me. You know, I'll be walking next to 3 or 4 locals, and then they'll single me out and wanna, you know, bark at me and nip at my ankles even. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope wherever you are, you're doing well and staying safe, guys. And see you in the next video. Peace.